today we're going to replace the wiper arm linkage on the 2003 G35. The wiper arms work, they just kind of hit the side pillar and the bottom plastic. I kind of reset the arms so they don't, see they kind of sit up higher than normal, so they don't hit the bottom as hard. The plastic bushings on the linkages, they just kind of wear out over time like a normal maintenance item. You want to replace them, so we want to remove the wiper arms first, and then we will remove that half plastic on the driver's side. All right, so the driver's side panel is out. Basically, you got three 10mm bolts. You got one plastic clip. Two of the bolts are underneath covers. I go right there next to that green, and then right over there. So now we have access to the motor, and then the wiper arm linkages underneath it. So we'll get the motor out. So 4 bolts, 1 and 2, and you got 3 and 4, and then you should be able to just pull this out. And you got the plug there as well. Got a little plastic clip. All right, so a little squeeze on that tab there. Pull it apart from the motor assembly, and you can just grab this whole thing. On the back of this, you can kind of see how loose they are. Here's the other one. They shouldn't really have that much play. All right, so I'm going to show you here. So I got the shorter one off. So this isn't supposed to happen. You've got the little plastic bushing here. That's the bottom of it for each one. It broke off. It's supposed to stay attached to the arm. You know, here's brand new OEM. You can see how that's got the new stuff inside of it, and it's all attached. So obviously that's worn out, old, and I imagine the other one's gonna be the same way, so I'm gonna get that one taken off, put the new ones on, probably clean these up a little bit. I've already got some silicone in there, so, or grease. I guess I could have got new bushings, but I just went ahead and got the whole assembly from Infinity. Same thing on the other side, except for one of the bushings looks like it's still intact, but I imagine it was pretty worn out. The other side just fell out. Bottom piece separated from the top part of the bushing. No grease in them. New ones pressed in. So pretty quick job. Just put it back in. Got your 4 bolts. Plug the harness in. Put the plastic in. Plug the washer fluid tube back up. Put your clip back in. Test it out. So here we go. This opportunity too. This is underneath that panel. There's some debris in there, so you want to vacuum that out, clean everything up before you put it back in. It only takes a few minutes. So, all right, so I've got the wiper arm motor linkage back in, plastic back in. So you've got the plastic clip there. You got a bolt up here, bolt there, and 2 bolts over here. 1, 2. Align your wiper arms back. Make sure you plug in the harness to the wiper motor. Plug in the or hook up, you know, the washer fluid hose. That should be it. So we'll get it buttoned up and test it out. All right, so everything's hooked back up. Wipers are turned on, so we'll see how they work here in just a second. No more clunking around. So I didn't do it before. I feel like if you're watching this video, you're looking to change out your wiper linkages anyway, so you'll probably know when they're going out and when you need to replace them. So pretty easy job. Good as new. Thanks for watching.